Okay, let me see your face. You're getting all wet. Oh, you dancing? Hey, William, let me see the spray bottle.
That's what?
You want to read that book? Okay, we can read that book. Alexander and the horrible, terrible, no good, very bad day.
Okay.
Oh. Come here. Let me see you. Let me see you over there. What are you doing? You're all wet. Well, you're all wet now. Let me see.
You're what?
Yeah, brush your hair now. After you spray, you gotta brush your hair. Good boy. Good boy.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. Bye.